Hi, this is a simple, pretty content management system. I use MERN stack for designing and developing the web pages. As this is the full stack project, so first of all, let's mention the vital tech I use. For frontend, I use React.js. For backend, I use Node.js and I use Express.js for building the backend API. Here I use MongoDB as database to save the data and fetch it. For styling, I use Tailwind CSS, a renowned CSS framework, and some vanilla CSS. And I use Vite as a setup for bootstrapping the React application, and Firebase for user authentication. So now I will give a brief UI and code walkthrough along with the project folder. It's the first page to see when anyone will click the project link. Nothing special is skipped here. It's just a welcome page and a button to go to our next page. By clicking this, an user will go to the next page. Here, an user found login page if they are new to this site and don't log in this page before. User can log in by providing his correct email address and password, or they can log in by clicking sign in with Google. Also, they have a reset password option if they forgot the password. Or if a user is totally new here, as he don't create account before, he must have to register first by clicking this register option. This is the register page. So for register, an user has to provide his name, a valid email address, and a minimum six-digit password. So I provide here some password. Here's an I option. By clicking this I, an user can see or visible or invisible the password. So if I register, this can't be registered because this email address is already been there. So if an account has already been opened with the provided email address, then the account can't be opened again with the same email address, and the password can be visible and invisible by clicking this I icon. So I have to use a unique email address. So I can use it. Register. So successfully register. Now I have to log in there. I log in by Google. After login successfully, user get redirected to the main contact page. Since this is the contact page, there will be a lot of user activity, so I try to keep it look simpler. Because according to my experience, it seems that a phone book doesn't have much animation or hover effect. So here's the contact page. It's the contact body with 20 contacts along with its name, mobile, email, and created ID and created date and action. If a user also it has a select checkbox. If a user select a row, the BG will be green, and a delete button will be appear here. By clicking the table header checked box, it will be all checked. By unchecked, the delete button will be disappear and the all checked button is dischecked. Then single button and single delete and edit button here. By clicking the delete button, a confirmation box will appear here. Delete or cancel it. If I cancel it, it doesn't delete, and if I confirm to delete it, it will be deleted successfully. If I want to edit any of the contact, I have to be edit page, and this is a simple form with a default value field. I want to edit some things here and update, and this is successfully updated. Yeah. So this is the and it is the logout option and the profile picture. If I log out, then it will be directed to the login page and again, and it is the search bar. If I search something like DAR, then which matched the box is appear here, and this is an ascending button and this descending button. Ascending button is ascendingly uh, B, D, E, F, G, H ascendingly, and descending button will T, S, R, Q, P, O, N descendingly. And if user can want to add a new contact, then they can add by providing this information, and the date it will be remain constant because it will fill up automatically with the today's date. Okay, so added successfully, and this is which I created now. So this is the simple contact management system pages, web pages. So now I have to work through with the code. This is the backend code actually. It is the index.js. Um, so nothing is difficult here. It's a simple. Uh, so here all the CRUD operation is completed. This is the get operation. This is also great operation for for descending order. This is ascending order get operation, and it is the post operation. This is the delete one, and this is the update operation. This is also get single contact by ID. And if we see on the front end code, so it is the contact, it is the page. Here I use many dependency in a tailwind in the package JSON file. This is all my dependency, and in source file is all the folder I created and use. In the component I use the folder and pages. So it is the workthrough for my project.